Hi, I'm Sander Smith, Product Manager for Wexxar Bel, powered by ProMach. Today we're going to look at our 507XL teamed up with our BEL 550X. The X series of machines is designed for larger cases. In this case, the 507 is a tilting version of the BEL 505, our highly successful case former. Because this is an XL machine, it's really designed for much larger cases, for taller product, as well as product that you might need to nest into place into the container. So as with all of our case formers, the operator would open the case up from flat, push it down into the machine, and the case is held in place for two-hand loading. As I said before, this machine has the case on a tilt, which allows me to easily access and load my product into the case. I get the product nested into place. Once the case is loaded, the operator would tilt the machine up. Because we are dealing with a semi-automatic, it requires the operator to fold the case and present the cubed case to the machine. Once the case has left the 507 tilts back into its original position with this tilt switch right here reading the bottom of the case.